It's 7 a.m. The alarm blares, and you promise yourself today will be different. You sit up, ready to seize the day, but before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of scrolling through social media, drowning in emails, and mindlessly clicking through endless content. Most people feel stuck at some point, not because they lack ambition, but because their mind isn't trained. The modern world is designed to overwhelm you. Think about it. Notifications, endless to-do lists, and constant noise. Your brain can't handle the overload, leading to paralysis by analysis. It's like trying to run a marathon with a 50-pound backpack. Simplify your tasks, break them down into bite-sized chunks. Focus on one thing at a time. Overwhelm is the enemy of progress, and the antidote is simplicity. Picture yourself trying to eat an entire pizza in one bite. It's not happening. But slice by slice? Totally doable. When you're bombarded with too many things, your brain shuts down. It's like having 50 browser tabs open at once. Close some tabs. Focus on what's important. Take a moment to breathe. Write down your top 3 priorities for the day and tackle them one at a time. Remember, multitasking is a myth. You're more productive when you focus on one task at a time. You can't move forward if you don't know where you're going. Spend some serious time figuring out what you truly want. Write it down, visualize it, and make it your guiding star. Without a clear goal, you're just spinning your wheels, going nowhere fast. Imagine trying to drive to an unknown destination without a map or GPS. You'll end up lost every time. Get your destination clear in your mind and plot your course. Clarity comes from knowing yourself. What are your passions? What drives you? Take time to reflect. Journal your thoughts, meditate, talk to a mentor or friend. Once you have clarity, everything else falls into place. You'll know what steps to take, and each step will bring you closer to your goal. It's like finding the North Star. It guides you even on the darkest nights. Fear is a paralyzer. You're stuck because you're afraid of making the wrong move. But guess what? Inaction is the real failure. Take small steps, embrace mistakes, and learn from them. Progress comes from doing, not just thinking. Remember, it's better to fail forward than to stand still. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You're going to wobble and maybe fall, but you'll never learn if you don't pedal. Failure is a teacher. Each mistake is a lesson. Don't be afraid to stumble. Every successful person has a trail of failures behind them. Embrace your fear. Use it as fuel. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Step out of your comfort zone. Take that leap. You'll be surprised at what you can achieve when you let go of your fear. Your surroundings shape your mindset. If you're in a toxic environment, it's time to make a change. Surround yourself with positivity, people who inspire you, and spaces that motivate you. A supportive environment can do wonders for your progress. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Make sure it's a good one. It's like trying to grow a garden in a desert. You need fertile soil to thrive. Evaluate your environment. Are your friends supportive or draining? Is your workspace conducive to productivity? Make changes where needed. Sometimes a change of scenery is all it takes to spark new ideas. Rearrange your room. Add some plants. Declutter. Create a space that inspires you. Your environment should reflect your goals and aspirations. Doing the same thing every day leads to stagnation. Shake things up. Try new activities, meet new people, and challenge your brain. Remember the excitement of learning something new? Bring that back into your life. It's like your brain is on autopilot and it's time to switch to manual control. Explore new hobbies, take a different route to work, or even rearrange your furniture. Routines can be both helpful and harmful. While they provide structure, they can also lead to complacency. Break the monotony. Inject some excitement into your daily life. Travel. Learn a new language. Volunteer. Step out of your comfort zone. When you try new things, you create new neural pathways. Your brain loves novelty. It keeps you sharp and engaged. Belief in yourself is the foundation of all success. If you don't believe you can do it, you won't even try. Build your confidence through small wins. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor. Each step forward is a step closer to your goal. Confidence is a muscle. Work it out. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum and growing larger with each turn. Start small and let your confidence build over time. Self-belief comes from within. Stop comparing yourself to others. Focus on your journey. Affirm your strengths. Visualize your success. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read books that inspire you. Listen to motivational podcasts. The more you feed your mind with positivity, the stronger your self-belief will become. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Trust yourself. All the planning in the world won't help if you don't take action. Start now, even if it's a small step. Momentum builds when you move. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Just start. Action cures fear and creates clarity. Think of it like diving into a cold pool. The anticipation is the worst part, but once you're in, you adapt quickly. Procrastination is a dream killer. Don't let it hold you back. Set deadlines for yourself. Break tasks into smaller steps. Reward yourself for completing them. Create a sense of urgency. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Your future self will thank you. You spend so much time analyzing every possible outcome that you never actually make a move. It's like being stuck in a maze of your own making. Simplify your decision-making process. Sometimes you just need to take the leap. Trust your gut and go for it. Overthinking is the thief of progress. Imagine trying to decide what to order at a restaurant with a 50-page menu. You'll never actually eat if you keep reading. Decision-making is a skill. Practice makes perfect. Limit your options. Set a time limit for making decisions. Trust your instincts. Remember, no decision is perfect. There will always be uncertainties. Embrace them. Make a choice and move forward. Learn from the outcomes. The more decisions you make, the better you'll become at making them. Don't let analysis paralysis keep you stuck. Take action. So, if you're feeling stuck, it's time to unfuck your mind. Simplify your tasks, gain clarity on your goals, embrace action, change your environment, shake up your routine, build your confidence, and stop overthinking. The power to get unstuck is within you. Now go make it happen. Remember, it's better to take imperfect action than to live in perpetual planning. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today. Your future self will thank you. And don't forget the power of gratitude. Appreciate the small wins, the lessons learned, and the growth you've experienced. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you have. It's a powerful mindset shift that can unlock new levels of motivation and contentment. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Reflect on your progress. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, getting unstuck is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but with each obstacle you overcome, you grow stronger and wiser. Embrace the journey, learn from the lows, and savor the highs. You have the power within you to create the life you want.